Diabetic snack, bitter gourd cutlet. Bitter melon, also known as bitter gourd, or is a unique vegetable fruit that can be used as food or medicine. Bitter gourd lowers blood glucose as it contains a chemical called keratin, which reduces high blood glucose levels. So it is very good for diabetic persons. Bitter gourd influences glucose metabolism all over the body, not like the other medicinal drugs which are effective only in one target organ or tissue. You can take bitter gourd juice every morning on an empty stomach to lower down the blood sugar. Or you can take bitter gourd in any form, either in curries or in any snack. Here we are going to make a diabetic snack with the bitter gourd. For this we need half cup grated bitter gourd, 1/4 cup grated carrot, 1/4 cup low-fat paneer, 1/4 cup bread powder, 2 spoons coriander leaves and salt to taste, green chilies paste 1 spoon, oil for toasting. Now let us see the preparation. Take a bowl, take grated bitter gourd and squeeze water from it and place it in a bowl. Now add grated carrot, grated paneer, and bread powder mix, coriander, chili paste, salt, and mix all them well. Now make cutlets out of them. Take a pan, add some oil and place cutlets on it and toast both the sides. Place them on a serving plate. Yummy, yummy, delicious, healthy bitter gourd cutlets are ready. You can take them in between your 5 meals when you feel hungry. By taking these diabetic snacks, you can reduce high blood sugar levels. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.